All right, we're talking about water softeners. People think, oh, our water goes in, soft water comes out, my hair feels nice, my skin feels nice, but we're here to talk about the inner workings. We have our resident expert here, our service manager, Jesse. He's done water softeners, I don't know, his whole life. I feel like he's like a wizard at this stuff. So we're gonna go over the different components of a water softener. And then Jesse's actually going to break it down. A little disclaimer, do not do this yourself. There's different O-rings, there's different parts, and it will leak if you don't put everything back correctly. So please do not do this yourself. We just want to show you guys all the inner workings of a water softener. It's not just a couple tanks. There's a lot more to it. So I'm going to pass it off to Jesse here.
All right, so what you, the basic rundown on the unit, you've got a hard water inlet to the unit. Water then comes in through the control valve, down through the resin. Then inside the middle of this tank, inside of the resin, there's another pipe that comes back up, and your hard water will get trapped in that resin. Soft water comes back up out of the unit and into your home. Always make sure that you've got a valve to shut the unit off. This way, if there is ever an issue with the unit, it's easy. Shut the water off. Now you can service the equipment. All of the equipment that we install has bypass valves on the top of it. So even if you didn't have a shut off, you could turn both handles. Now the unit itself is shut down and you still got water onto your home. All right, so I'm going to give you a quick breakdown on the unit. Inside of the unit, once you take the front cover off, you've got all of the controls for the unit. This is what we programmed to set it for your hardness. These computer controlled units are highly efficient. There's no more wasting salt, no more wasting extra water regenerating when you don't need to. There's 1,000 different ways we can program this unit for your specific water. But when you do have issues, generally what happens is the seal kit back in behind here. Not hard to get to. You know, Clack's made a pretty good product that makes them pretty easy to work on. And that takes the whole computer system right out of the way. And then you've got a seal kit back in behind here. Clack makes their own special tool just for opening these up. Once you pull the seals out of the unit, you've got a whole stack of seals and spacers here. That's what tells the units where to push the water through the valve, depending on what you're trying to do, whether it's to clean the unit or to just cycle the water through. Each one of these sends it through a different chamber in the control valve, whether it be to the drain line or the clean water to the house. As you can see, I mean, your center two seals here, that's where your raw water is coming in, which is why those are so stained. And then this can be your drain, and this can be your clean water, which is why they look like new. Then you've got your piston inside of here that, you know, as the motor spins this gear, that piston goes back and forth to send it to the different chambers to tell it which chamber of that seal kit to run the water through.
Thank you, Jesse. And again, as a disclaimer, do not try this at home. You can see actually from this example here, our seal kit broke. Jesse's going to go get another seal kit right now. So these are very, very finicky. So you need a trained professional to put all this stuff together. Otherwise you'll be calling one. Again, don't try this at home. We've done this for 51 years. We have dedicated water treatment professionals. So if you need help with this, we got you.